hear that? No? Because the biggest environmental threats are often invisible. Carbon emissions don't announce their presence. They quietly accumulate through your everyday choices. And while one household may seem insignificant, millions of households together can create a massive environmental impact. The system analyzes water consumption patterns and can identify unusual usage that may indicate leakage or wastage. This helps households conserve water and avoid unnecessary resource consumption. For example, if a household normally consumes 40 liters of water in a day, but one day it ends up consuming 60 or 80 liters. So the AI will alert the user of possible leaks, and in case of no leak, the user may tell the app if there is an increase in family size that day.
The third feature is waste management analysis. The AI evaluates waste disposal habits and encourages proper waste segregation. By helping users manage waste more responsibly, the system promotes cleaner and more sustainable living practices. For example, the user enters information such as whether waste is segregated, yes or no, amount of wet waste generated, and amount of plastic waste generated, recycling habits, frequency of disposing waste. Then the AI analyzes these inputs and looks for patterns. The AI then gives recommendations such as waste segregation is not practiced regularly. Separating wet and dry waste can improve recycling efficiency.
The fourth feature is transport emission tracking. Users enter information about their daily travel habits, and the AI estimates the carbon emissions generated through transportation. It then recommends lower emission alternatives whenever possible. It can also help the users when they want to buy a new vehicle. For example, when a user buys a new vehicle, they may enter the vehicle type, fuel type, and average distance it may travel in a day. The AI then analyzes these features and suggests the best alternative for reduction of carbon emission.
To ensure long-term engagement, we introduced gamification and rewards. Users earn eco points, badges, and achievement streaks for completing sustainability goals and improving their environmental performance. This transforms sustainability from a responsibility into an engaging challenge. For example, instead of individual users, only the neighborhoods can also compete. Like, the user may get a notification that theirs is the greenest apartment in their locality.
Another key feature is the smart bin locator. Many people want to dispose of waste responsibly but do not know where the nearest public dustbin is located and end up just disposing it on the road. EcoQuest displays nearby dustbins on a real map and provides directions, making proper waste disposal more convenient. We have also included an AI waste scanner. Using the phone camera, users can scan an item and the AI identifies the type of waste and suggests the correct disposal method. This helps users make informed decisions about proper waste segregation.
Finally, we have proposed future IoT integration. In future versions, EcoQuest can connect with smart sensors, electricity meters, and smart switches. These devices would automatically monitor appliance usage and detect unnecessary energy consumption, making the system more accurate and reducing manual data entry.
The expected outcome of EcoQuest is reduced carbon emissions, improved resource conservation, better waste management practices, and increased environmental awareness in Indian households. Our app answers the following questions. What does the user do first? The user first downloads and logs into the application of EcoQuest. They have to fill in the following details in order to successfully sign in: household information, electricity usage, water consumption, food habits, mode of transportation, and waste management habits. What does the AI process or check? The AI processes and analyzes the user's household and lifestyle data to identify activities that increase carbon emissions. It compares the input data with carbon emission patterns and sustainability models to understand how environmentally friendly the household is.
Question 3. What output does the AI give? The AI gives carbon footprint score, eco-friendly suggestions, electricity and water saving tips, waste reduction recommendations, and weekly, monthly progress reports, alerts, and reminders. And it also gives rewards like eco points, badges, and streaks. These outputs help Indian households reduce carbon emissions and build sustainable habits. What does the user do after that? After receiving the AI results and suggestions, the user follows the recommended eco-friendly actions to reduce their carbon footprint.
Here are some points for responsible use. The possible risks that users may face is that they may enter false or incomplete data if they do not know. Personal household information can be misused, and users may ignore AI suggestions. Incorrect data can also lead to inaccurate carbon scores sometimes. So we will prevent this by keeping only the necessary user data, protect the information using secure login and data privacy measures, give clear and simple suggestions, and regularly update the AI system for accuracy. Here is a prototype of our app. So this is the first demo, which is a household carbon score. As soon as the user logs into it, it shows the input of the household profile. You have to input certain data such as electricity usage, LPG usage, water, food wastage, transport emissions, and then the AI will calculate the total carbon score of that particular household or family. And you have to also input the number of family members and their calorie count so that it can detect proper food management techniques. Then it can suggest ways to reduce the carbon score, such as electricity reduction, LPG usage, water usage reduction, and food management practices. The second model is the electricity anomaly detection, where the daily electricity usage is input, and such as the ACRs, the minutes that the geyser was on, and other appliances. Then it calculates the total power that is being used, and if there are any unusual patterns detected, it will alert the user beforehand so that electricity can be saved. Our third demo is water waste and leak detection. It works very similar to the electricity management because we input the total liters of water used every day, and if there is an unusual pattern someday, it will alert the user beforehand. The fourth is food waste prediction. We have to input the family members, the cooked meals per week, and leftover storage score. And also if there are guests some week or some day, we can input that as well, and the AI will suggest recommendations based on that, such as improve leftover storage using labeled containers and refrigeration. Our transport emission tracker works according to the current travel speed and distance. For example, if it is 12 km per day by car, the estimated monthly transport emissions will be calculated, and recommendations for alternatives will be given by the AI. Next up, we have the waste segregation assistant, which helps in waste item classification. Currently, you only enter the name of the product and it will tell you which dustbin it should go in. Later on, we will be adding the image classification, where the image can be input and the AI will tell you which dustbin it is to go in. Lastly, we have the weekly eco report and badges, which comes under the gamification. It encourages users to continue using the app and achieve a particular eco score, which will reduce their carbon emissions. This is an overall end-to-end working of our entire project.
In conclusion, EcoQuest uses artificial intelligence not only to measure environmental impact but also to encourage meaningful behavioral change. By combining intelligent analysis, practical tools, and user engagement, EcoQuest aims to make sustainable living easier and more accessible for every household. Thank you.